Hello. And welcome to English. This is Chanaim speaking. Today I'd like to explain 4 essential words which confuse a lot of English language learners. I'm talking about this, these, that, and those. So first we'll look at this. We use this for single things which are, or feel, close to us. Often, the thing we are referring to can be touched. But, the important thing is, it feels close. Likewise, these is used for 2 or more things. Again, the things we are referring to can often be touched. But, the important thing is, they feel close. Let's see some examples. This pen. The pen in my hand. These pens. The pens in my hand. This book. The book on my desk. These books. The books on my desk. This problem. A problem which affects me or us. These problems. Problems which affect me or us. So that is how we use this and these. For things which are, or feel close to the speaker. Next. That. We use that, for single things which are, or feel distant to us. Often, the thing we are referring to cannot be touched. We may need to point our finger at the thing being talked about. The important thing is, it feels distant. Likewise, those is used for 2 or more things. Again, the things we are referring to often cannot be touched. We might need to point to them. The important thing is, they feel distant or further away. Let's see some examples. That pen over there, the pen on your desk. Those pens over there, the pens on your desk. That book. The book on the shelf. Those books. The books on the shelf. That problem. A problem which doesn't directly affect me or us. Those problems. Problems which don't directly affect me or us. And that is how we use that and those. For things which are, or feel distant, removed, or far away from the speaker. And there we have it. This, these, that, and those. One last thing I'd like to mention. Think about these 2 statements. These days, it's normal to shop online. Meaning now. The present. These days. These days, which feel close to the speaker. Those days are long gone. Meaning, past events are just that. In the past. Those days. Those days, which feel far away from the speaker. Thanks for watching and see you next time.